Hi everybody, today we're going to take a look at rounding 3-digit numbers to the nearest hundreds place. We are going to continue to follow these steps for rounding, which help us to create this beautiful number line, which I think does a nice job of really demonstrating and showing students what 10 or what 100 a number is actually closer to. They can visually see it right there on the number line. So let's not waste any more time. Grab a piece of paper, a pencil, and let's dive right in. So let's jump right in. We are rounding 246 to the nearest 100. So we are going to start by drawing out our number line. Since we are rounding to the nearest 100, I'm going to underline the digit in the hundreds place. So in this number, we have ones, tens, hundreds. So the 2 is in the hundreds place. That means my first 100 is going to be 200 because the value of the 2 in the hundreds place is 200. And again, since this is rounding to the nearest 100, we are going to make a jump of 100. So 200 plus 100 gives us 300. So now our two possible answers when rounding 246 to the nearest 100 is either going to be 200 or 300. Next, I want to label the midpoint. The midpoint is that halfway, that number right in the middle between 200 and 300. So since this big jump was worth 100, half of 100 is 50. That means we're going to add 50 to 200. So 250 is going to be our midpoint. Now we can place the number 246 on our number line. Does 246 come before the midpoint or after? Well, let's see. 246, I know 46 would come before 50. So it's going to be very close, but 246 is before the midpoint. Now, since it is before the midpoint, we look at our two options again, and we can see that it is closer to 200. Anything before that midpoint is going to be closer to 200. So using this great visual, we can clearly see 246 when rounded to the nearest 100 is going to be 200. If you want to sharpen your math skills and become a stronger math student, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.